he'll dance for you. He's eating my plate. Oh God, did you get that? Is it filming, do you think?
It is.
Hey, are you happy? Jump for joy.
Woohoo! Wee-hee! Jump! Up! Gertrude, Heathcliff, come on now. What are you doing on this side of the house when you're usually just guarding us out front, hmm?
Hey. Just don't need to scream or I'll knock your block off. Jump up and down. I want to film you. We got you.
Hi. It's eating those plants that make you jump. Are they poisonous plants? Hmm? Where's the other guy here? Where's your buddy? Where's your mate for life? These guys mate for life. They guard our house every night from the front. Oh! You ruffle those feathers, boy. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Our alligator friend has been out here all day, but he's finally departed a bit. He'll be back.